Oh my goodness, I can't believe I didn't buy a freaking Camaro. We did it! We did it, fellas! Let me find the clip. Uh-oh, I stalled it. You kept stalling it?
I was like, what are you? I started to blow with you, but I figured you was already there.
I know, I'm like, dang, I cannot get this thing.
You ran through the one stop sign.
Yeah, I didn't want to stop. I was scared to stop. Like, man, I'm about to cruise straight through this.
I he did good, but I'm like, nah, every time you stop it else.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back, baby, with another video. I think I've come kicking it with your boy Q today. Guys, I want to clear up two things in the video. One, I didn't think to clear up that when I bought and revealed the Camaro, as y'all can see here, a lot of people asked me, did I sell red? No, I did not sell red. Red is still here. She's still there, as y'all can see. The video you are about to see is my first drive video, but your boy Q. I messed up, guys. So when I put the GoPro on my head, I forgot to unlock the orientation. So when I flipped the GoPro upside down, it did not rotate it. So most of the video, you're looking up at the freaking roof of the car. I do apologize, guys, but the audio is perfectly clear. So I suggest, if you can, watch with some headphones in your ear. You can hear better. And when you hear what's going on, you kind of understand what I'm doing. So I try to make it as entertaining and short as possible when it came to the first drive. I almost didn't post this video, but I really wanted to capture my real, true reaction when I first drove, you know, the Camaro for the first time. So also, I just realized this whole camera issue. I've recorded many other videos and I had the same issue and didn't realize it. So a few videos you may see until I now figured out that the camera was an issue. Maybe kind of with that view. I don't know if I'm gonna post it. I don't know, but I have fixed it. Hopefully we got a better angle now. But anyway, yes, enjoy the first ride video. Again, I apologize, but I just think it's too good not to capture that first reaction. But anyway, y'all enjoy the rest of the video. It's your boy Q. See you in a bit. All right, you got the directions to the house. You got to put up. All right, guys, so we are now in the car. I don't know how that view gonna look for y'all. Look at red. Oh my God, red looks huge sitting inside this car, bro. We in the car. Look at the thing on the. So, guys, this is the newest car I ever bought in my life. All right. Oh my God, I got a freaking manual. You ready? Huh? I think I got it. Well, I'm gonna practice going that way real quick. Trying to get used to all the buttons in here. Is rev match on? How do you dismiss? Okay, man, first, you just can't stall it out, man. Ooh, red looking delicious.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, we going to the house, guys. I think I got it. It's a pretty easy car to drive, seriously though. I didn't get to test drive it, guys. Like they don't let you test drive these high power cars, like at all. So this is really me driving it for the first time ever. Oh my God, the pops. Y'all hear the pops? Oh my goodness, I can't believe I didn't buy a freaking Camaro, bro. All right, let me find the clutch. Uh-oh, I stalled it. Oh, got it. I just stalled it. All right, here we go. We in first? All right, here we go. Let off easy. There we go. Oh, okay. Ain't that bad. God, we did it. We did it, fellas. We just bought a freaking Camaro, bro. Oh my goodness. It's actually not hard to drive at all. Now, it is loud. God, these tires are so low profile, it's loud. Now, hopefully y'all can see. Oh, did I really just buy a Camaro, bro? Oh my God. I really can't believe I just bought a Camaro. And I'm actually fit well in here, bro. I'm not uncomfortable. I still can't believe this is happening. My heart is like pounding out of my freaking chest, bro. I think this is my turn. Slow it down, rev match. I went into neutral. There we go. There we go. little junkie on the shift. I think I need to let the clutch out slower because it's jerking. Yo, did you really just buy a Camaro? I think you did, son. I think you did. Oh my God, I'm hot. Hold on, I need some air. Oh, I need some air. Where the air? It's so easy to drive. Guys, I have never owned a manual car. And it's so easy to drive. And I like the way I feel in here. I don't feel big at all. Let's get up on it a little bit. Oh! Oh my God. This is a fun, and I'm in tour mode and the exhaust sounds like that. Let me stop screaming, first of all. Let me stop screaming. Stop screaming, Q. Oh my God, my bad. That was a better shift. Listen to the sound. Jeez. The pops. Oh, let's go to like sport. Oh, it's a big difference. You hear the pops? Oh my God. Oh, I don't know if y'all can hear the pops. This thing is snack, crackling, popping, bro. Oh, the sound. Oh, they're gonna pops. Let's see. There they go again. Oh my goodness, bro. The downshifts are so smooth. Listen to the downshift. Oh, it's smooth. It gets it right every time. Now, this one I'm scared of, because there's a lot of traffic coming right now, and I cannot stall. Oh shit, I stalled it. There we go. I started again.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
All right, where we at? I think I might be holding the clutch too long. I don't know. So even though I'm tall, guys, the clutch, like it goes way down past the brake and gas pedal. So I was kind of reaching, like tiptoeing it almost. I had to bring my seat up, but now that my seat up and my legs have been, I'm good. Like, it's not bad at all. Still struggling out of first gear, but what I realized, I had my foot on the brake and trying to let go of the clutch, so the car was stalling out. Duh, dummy. You know, I don't know what I was thinking. And thank y'all to my beautiful wife. She came all the way out here with me. That's right there, look at that. I don't know the speed limit. I'm probably not even going the speed limit. What is the speed limit? I'm scared. Let me see if I can drop it down again for y'all. Where's 4th? Okay. Okay, Q, shifting the manual. Shifting the manual, big baby. Screech. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Dang. Oh my God, I can't wait till I get used to this car, bro. I am so happy I got a man. You cannot have this fun in automatic. You just can't. Really, from going from first to second, I'm struggling with a lot. I don't know if I'm too high in RPMs, but it's jerking, or maybe I'm coming off the clutch too fast. I don't know. Then I keep shifting into neutral, trying to find 4th, and for some reason, I think I'm going down to 6, or I'm going, I don't know. I'm having trouble finding 3rd, 4th, and 5th. But when I try to go from 5th to 4th, I keep going to neutral, or I go to 6th. So I don't know. I know I got cool seats on here. Let's try them out. I know it's supposed to. Oh, boy. Hey, that's cool in some place you don't really want to be cool at, but it's all good. Said this move, bro, I'm terrified right now. I know that, but like, dang, that boy Q got a Camaro and all that. This is me taking a leap, and you know, they say you scared to jump, you need to jump. This is me jumping. So like, with everything, I am terrified right now. Like, owning this car, is it gonna work for the channel? And I mean, I bought it for the channel. Yes, this is the first channel car, but also I bought it for something I really wanted. And I always wanted a manual. I didn't buy it to be the fastest on the street. I know it's not gonna be the fastest on the street, but it's supposed to be fun, you know? First feel kind of funny on this thing, ain't no cap. Uh-oh, saw that. Let me see, uh-oh, don't stall it, Q. Come on. There we go, you got it. I stalled it, no, I stalled it. I'm gonna try not to stall it right here. Let's see, one more time, come on. Dang, I stalled it. It's like right when you wanna let it go, that's when you need to hold it. There we go. Right when you wanna let it go, that's when you need to hold it. All right, guys, I'm at home. There was a lot of learning to do. I didn't stall the car out, so trying to get it up here, but I don't know if I'm gonna leave right here, try to move it in the garage. Brielle told me I can't park. Oh, watch her try to park red. Ain't no backup camera. I'm so sorry. Don't hit the garage. Let me see. All right, she stopped. Uh-oh. I bet she like, you don't get why she goes, so you need to get this camera fixed. Is the car off? Okay, there we go. The car was still on, bro. I gotta change the setting. It screwed me up. Huh? Hold on, let me see what Bria talking about. What you laughing at? Oh, I was laughing at, like, I hope you don't run into the freaking garage because I got the drop hitch.
I know.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey guy, I did hit the
Yeah, he hit that brick.
I hit the brick. My hitch hit the brick at one day. But the brick fine though. My truck took most of the damage. You heard me kept stalling it?
I was like a foot of you.
I'm like, dang.
I started to blow with you, but I figured you was already there.
I know, I'm like, dang, I cannot get this thing. It's hard. It's not hard, it's just like, I don't know. I gotta learn.
I said, you did good leaving out the deal. No, you started out when we got to
under that bridge. I did it twice.
And then I felt like you did fine. You ran through the one stop sign.
Yeah, I didn't want to stop. I was scared to stop. Like, man, I'm about to cruise straight through this.
I he did good, but I'm like, nah, every time you stopped, you started out.
I do want to put y'all on. So y'all all know I always talk about F-150 parts, truck parts, putting y'all on to stuff you can do to your truck right. Now I'm gonna put you on to something. That's gonna change your life, man. You gonna look good when you pull it out. Let me show you. Oh, bow! Oh, you see the carbon fiber. So guys, this is a carbon fiber wallet from the one and only Simply Carbon Fiber, guys. They sent this over to me, told me to take a look at it and review it. And let me tell you what, man, this thing is so thin, so light, and I love it. I hope if you watch the video, you're not still using your grandpa wallet that you pull open. We got the slots for the credit card, and you got you sitting on your butt like this when it's in your back pocket. Guys, I hope you're not still doing that. If you're doing that, your boy Q got you, man. Simply Carbon wallet, guys. Has a money clip on the back, you know what I'm saying? And has a place to place your cards. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you take your cash like that, boom. Ain't a lot of cash, a few dollars, you feel me? You take it and you literally just slide it in the back. Boom. So now you got your cash in there. Then your cards, it holds about 6 cards. For what I found, I wouldn't put anything more in there. Take your cards right here, literally just slide it down in there. Boom. And that's your wallet, guys. Look at that. And look how thin it is, bro. I'm telling you this. And people notice this, guys. When you pull this out to pay, people notice this carbon fiber. I'm not even lying to you. So go check out their website, guys. They got tons of things. They got glasses, they got watches, but they didn't send me over this. You can use my code. I'll put it down there for y'all. And it's also going to be in the description and in the comments if you want to check this out, man. I'm telling y'all, bro, game changer. But y'all go check this out and let's get back to the video.
Jasmine's gotta move.
I know, yeah, Jasmine got to move over. We're going to make room. How do you feel about how driving red? Cool?
It was cool. She
Yeah.
looked like she wanted to take off, but then she didn't.
Yep.
But then she did.
That's that tune in that cold air intake. Ain't that thermostat.
I hit the bumpy part of the road. We was both over there. I was like, oh, Lord. I was like, girl, you better hold on. But that was cool. I ain't drove ran in a while.
Yeah,
so,
you ain't. So.
And I ain't backed it up in our garage yet either. So.
Yeah, without the camera.
Yeah.
All right, make sure you let my seat back too on your way out, pimping.
You didn't do it to mine.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I did. I forgot.
I got in there. I'm like.
I forgot. You're right. I did forget. I forgot to move the seat back. But anyway, guys, here's another look at the car. Baby blue. We don't know. We got to name her, man. Comment in the below. But
You can't call her blue, baby.
yeah. You say what?
Baby blue.
I don't know. It's not baby blue in color though. It's blue.
But she's like, baby.
Oh, they don't know. Yeah, some people might know what blue is. Blue's my F-150, my Ram 1500 I had, guys. I'm gonna do a more detailed walk around, but yeah, here it is. 2020 Camaro 2SS 1LE package, guys. So this thing is basically fully loaded. I mean, when I say fully loaded, it is fully loaded. Keep rocking with me. I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous. I ain't gonna lie, owning this car, I'm nervous. I never owned a sports car. I never owned a manual car. Just want to wrap the video up. I don't know if I did or not, man. Just, again, say thank y'all for all the support, you know, and making it this far. I mean, I couldn't do it without y'all. And like I said, I'm excited, nervous, because like I said, this is me really taking a big risk and just trying to see what happens. I mean, if all else failed, I just had to sell the car. If we can't keep it, like, hey, gotta go, you know. But, oh, the merch. Not sure y'all saw the merch. Some of y'all probably saw the merch. Merch, this is a test run. This is something I got personally for myself done, because I'm not the type of person to do stuff fast. I want to do it right, and I just want to make sure this is right. So there's some few tweaks we need to make to it up here as well. You know, just a few tweaks before I, you know, kind of give some of y'all if you're interested, but I don't think I'm gonna be selling merch constantly. It might be like limited drop type thing. I don't know, y'all stay tuned. But I tell y'all, I'm not the guy that has it all figured out, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I like to take calculated plans, but I know I can see the vision of where I want to go in the future, but I don't have this all figured out. I definitely don't have this figured out. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I'm taking the risk and seeing if it'll pay off. You try, you learn, ain't no fail. But this is gonna push me to grind. This is gonna push me to work a lot harder. And that's what I want, to get out of my comfort zone, because I have been comfortable lately, mainly just with the truck stuff. I have been comfortable. So I just want to get out of my comfort zone, do something different, and hopefully it'll push me to get out more and do more things, or we learning together. I done stalled the car again, trying to get up here. It's freaking hard as heck. I stalled it in the garage and just stall. So we gonna learn, man. We learn together. But anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Thank y'all again for all the support. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.